What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. Today what we're gonna be cooking is some comfort food. This isn't just any mac and cheese. Like, I don't think you guys understand that this is 5 cheese mac and cheese. First of all, I'm gonna bake this thing. It's gonna be baked. I'm gonna add 5 different cheeses, y'all. 5 different cheeses to this bad boy. And guess what? It's gonna be creamy. It's gonna be gooey. It's gonna be cheesy. It's gonna be macky. It's gonna be real nice, all right? Here's what you need to get started making Mark's Kitchen's mac and cheese. Step 1 for this mac and cheese, get your water boiling, get some salt and olive oil in there. Let's get these things al dente. For the sauce, all you need is evaporated milk, regular milk, butter, ground mustard, cayenne pepper, some salt and pepper. Got yourself a little bit of your base right there. Then what you do is add the noodles, and then we add the cheese, mix it up. Just pour it into a pan, put some cheese on top of that, and we're ready to bake. Let's do this. Add about 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of flour. You want to add about 3 cups of evaporated milk. Keep stirring till it comes to a tiny boil. Add a splash of some regular milk to the mixture. Starting to see the bubbles, starting to heat down a little bit. Give it one more stir. Should be pretty thick at this point. Thick. Gonna add some pepper, salt. That a quick stir. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons ground mustard, about a 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Continue to stir. Once the sauce is done, you want to grab your noodles and then add them to the mixture. Start to stir in that mixture all into the noodles. Once everything is mixed up, it's time to add the cheese. I'm gonna add about a cup white cheddar, about a cup Monterey Jack, about a cup and a half of medium cheddar, 1 cup Colby Jack, and 1 cup of that mozzarella, baby. Once the cheese is added, you wanna mix that into the noodles. Oh God. And now that all the cheese is in the macaroni, what we're gonna do is put that into a baking sheet. We're just gonna add mozzarella, Colby Jack, and the cheddar cheese. Ooh, look at that cheese, baby. We are gonna put this in the oven at 350 to brown this thing for 45 minutes. All right, let's check on how this is doing here. Oh, look at that mac and cheese. I'm gonna burn this lens off, but it's so worth it. Out of the oven. Oh, look at this. Look at that ooey, gooey goodness. Ooh. This is so good, dude. It is steaming hot. First bite. That is so cheesy. Just remember, this is your recipe to take and do anything with. I like the dried mustard in this a lot. Try it yourself, make it at home, try a bunch of different cheeses together. It's gonna be a hit at the party you go to. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat the rest of this mac and cheese. You already know what they say. If you can do it, and Mark. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.